Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
This section of Lincoln highlights how contemporary art has been incorporated into everyday urban space. Rather than being confined to galleries, creative work here appears in alleys, side streets, and shared public corridors. The area around the Burkholder Project has become a focal point for this approach. Galleries, studios, and creative businesses operate alongside cafés and offices. This concentration supports regular artistic activity without separating it from daily life. Art becomes part of normal movement rather than a specialized destination. One of the most visible features is the alleyway filled with street art. Murals, painted surfaces, and graphic designs line the walls, transforming a functional service space into a cultural corridor. These works vary in style, scale, and subject matter, reflecting multiple contributors rather than a single curatorial vision. This diversity is intentional. Street art thrives on variety and change. Pieces may be replaced, altered, or updated over time. The space remains active rather than static. Visitors encounter different works depending on when they arrive. Many of these artworks are commissioned. Property owners and local organizations collaborate with artists to produce large-scale pieces. This provides funding, legal protection, and long-term visibility. It also ensures that designs fit within planning and maintenance requirements. Alongside commissioned work, informal elements appear. Smaller pieces, experimental styles, and temporary installations contribute to the layered character of the alley. This mixture reflects broader trends in American urban art, where official and independent expression often coexist. Nearby stands a sculpture of hands, featuring imagery inspired by Starry Night. This piece represents another form of public art integration. Unlike murals, it operates as a three-dimensional landmark. Its placement encourages interaction, photography, and casual engagement. The design connects classical artistic reference with modern presentation. By referencing a well-known artwork, the sculpture creates immediate recognition. At the same time, its form and setting is situated within contemporary urban culture rather than traditional museum contexts. Together, the alleyway and sculpture illustrates how Lincoln supports creative visibility. Art is not treated as decoration added after development. It is incorporated into planning, redevelopment, and public space design. This approach strengthens neighborhood identity and attracts sustained interest. Street art also performs social functions. It reflects local narratives, community values, and cultural trends. It provides platforms for underrepresented voices. It encourages informal learning and public discussion without requiring formal access. Maintenance plays an important role. Successful street arts districts require regular upkeep, lighting, and security. Without this support, spaces decline quickly. Lincoln's continued investment helps preserve both physical condition and social activity. This balance between creativity and management is essential. Too much regulation limits expression. Too little leads to deterioration. The current system maintains accessibility while allowing artistic freedom. For viewers, this area demonstrates how modern cities integrate culture into everyday movement. Art is encountered while walking, working, and socializing. It becomes part of the urban rhythm rather than a separate experience. It shows how visual expression contributes to place identity, economic vitality, and long-term community engagement.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.